Well, as you note, the president is also threatening to cut off what he calls bailouts for insurance companies. Presumably, he's referring to the payments the government makes to insurance companies to reduce the costs for low-income Americans. The Trump administration has threatened to withhold this money before, which has led to uncertainty among insurance providers. If President Trump were to officially withdraw that funding, would that affect your vote on health care?
It would not affect my vote on health care, but it's an example of why we need to act to make sure that those payments, which are not an insurance company bailout, but rather help people who are very low income afford their out-of-pocket costs towards their deductibles and their co-pays. And that's what we need to remember. So it really would be detrimental to some of the most vulnerable citizens if those payments were cut off. They're paid to the insurance companies, but the people that they benefit are people who make between 100% and 250% of the poverty rate. So we're talking about low-income Americans who would be devastated if those payments were cut off. Though the threat to cut off those payments has contributed to the instability in the insurance market. But what Congress needs to do is to start by the first bill that we should consider is how to stabilize the market. And that is a key component to ensure that those payments continue to be made to benefit low-income Americans.